So you want to know if promoting your videos on Twitter, Facebook, Reddit, Instagram is a good idea? No and yes. Here's why. When you post your videos on on Facebook or Reddit, then you're just getting random viewers to your video. Now, to understand this, I'm going to tell you about the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube algorithm is designed to find the right viewers for the right audience. So if you make a video and you post it on Facebook or Reddit, and those people who watch it, their search history doesn't add up to the content they're watching, then it won't promote it to the right people. However, if you post it on a relevant Facebook group or Reddit, then yeah, you can get these core audience of viewers. And they may have the same watch history as that video you're promoting. Instagram and Twitter, if you have a fan base on there, yeah, that's good. But you need a lot of fans and on there to get you subscribers and views on YouTube. But here's a video coming up to help you promote on Facebook. So go ahead and watch that and see you there. Bye.